Adding a carousel in Framer is simple thanks to the built-in carousel component, which provides smooth, swipeable content without any coding. To start, open the Insert menu in the top left corner, navigate to the Interactive section, sometimes under Basics, and select Carousel. Drag it onto your canvas, and then add your content such as images, cards, or text directly inside the carousel. Once your content is in place, you can customize the layout using the Properties panel on the right. You can enable arrows for manual navigation or dots for pagination, adjust spacing with gap and padding, and set the corner radius to match your site's design. You can also configure snapping so the carousel stops cleanly on each item. Keep in mind that, unlike the slideshow component, the native carousel usually does not loop infinitely. If you need alternative carousel types, Framer offers several options. The slideshow component is ideal for autoplaying, infinitely looping hero banners. A ticker is perfect for continuous, moving content like a logo wall. For dynamic sites, you can create a CMS carousel by connecting the carousel's children property to a collection list, allowing it to automatically populate with your CMS content. This makes adding carousels flexible, whether you want static content, interactive galleries, or dynamically driven elements from a CMS.